It's your birthday.
Hello apples, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna pass away. Also, if you saw my intro, sorry not sorry, I'm 26 today. Um Technically in like 4 hours I'm 26, but you know, this is coming out on my birthday. Oh, I'm gonna pass away, I'm sorry. Um I've been requested this so much and I've been avoiding it, but I can't avoid it any longer because I've been requested it so much. This is Multo stripped down at the Cove live sessions. Oh no. Jian looks so fucking. Didn't I tell y'all to stop putting him in a black shirt like that? No. This um is this the same live and same time that they did the Kanelang Mata? Because I passed away in that and I'm pretty sure this is because it looks like he's wearing the same black tee. But I'm not okay, and I'm not okay, and I'm not okay. Gian, please. I'm gonna pass away. I really love this song. So yeah, stripped down, but stripped down at that. Is this on Spotify? Because I know I'm adding it. All right, let's just April just go. Let's all die together, guys. Let's all die together. We need this all the way up. Not 4K, because I tried to do 4K last time and I almost broke my computer. So let's go. Gian. Okay, I'm fine. Oh my god, no, I'm not. Oh my god, their band is amazing. The other members are so fucking good. He feeling it. I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna be dead. I'm gonna pass. GM, please. Why does he do this? Oh my god, why? Okay. Oh, we're gonna pass before your birthday, April. You still have 4 hours before your birthday. You're gonna pass away before the 9th of April. Please calm down. Okay. I have chills. Just from the band members playing the instruments. Yeah, okay. Ooh, my. I wasn't ready yet. Yeah, no. Hello. I have tears in my eyes. Okay, I knew what was coming, but I wasn't ready. I really wasn't. I'm trying to be ready. Okay.
Huminga malalim, pumikit na muna.
Oh, don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Guys, he's staring in my soul. Okay. This sounds better than the original. Please don't do this to me. I literally just listened to this song like a couple hours ago. I'm crying. Oh my god. Please don't look at me like that. Oh my god. Okay.
Pumikit na muna. At baka sakaling namamalik mata.
Bitch. Okay. Yeah. Get it, bro.
Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawag pa.
Let's go. Sit down.
Ang lahat di na ba naman aking sukat, ngunit ba't ba andito pa rin? Hirap na akong intindi.
The D.
Hirap na akong intindi. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Dahil sa bawat tingin, mukha mo'y nakikita. Kahit sa
Feel that shit. Oh, Gian. Oh, please don't stare at me like that. Yeah. Stop. The maxi seep is so pretty. Oh, the ilaw. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Gian, please. Oh, yes, pianist. Oh, giddy. Yeah, rough. Hey. Oh, no, no. Okay, yeah, y'all harmonize. Please just take me away. Okay, I'm okay. Thank God it's almost over. Oh God, Gian, shut the fuck up. I'm sorry. Yeah, Ralph, kill that. Stop staring at me. Oh yeah, Ralph. Ooh, the band members are killing it. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I like it. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god, GM, please. Okay, I'm so sick of you. Ugh. Okay, that was really good. That was really good. That was really, really good. Yeah. I mean, you guys know how I feel about the song. I reacted to it like I think a year ago. I think it's been a year. Damn, it's been a year. Whew. The stripped down version was, oh Lord. Their vocals were already amazing in the original, but the stripped down, oh, it just gave it so much more depth and emotion. I really, really loved this. Oh, I hope they have this version on Spotify, because if so, I'm definitely adding it. Oh, it was so amazing. Everybody did fucking fantastic. Everybody. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.